Hello everyone, my name is Mike and in today's video I will be doing a review of the Alkaline Smoothie Diet Weight Loss Program. Apparently this is a great program that you will be able to make alkaline smoothies very quickly, lose weight, cleanse, revitalize and heal your body for incredible health. I'll be telling you and walking through the good sides, the bad sides and a lot of other things that you will need to know in order to make the right decision on whether it will work for you or not. But before I get the review started, if you finish watching this review video and you finally decide you're going to buy and use the Alkaline Smoothie Diet Weight Loss Program, I would recommend you to click on the first link in the description of this video, because there you will be able to get a discounted price. So with that said, let me play the video intro so you can find out as well more information about what this 14-day alkaline smoothie weight loss program is about.
Weight loss programs. It's morning. You climb out of bed, brush your teeth, and walk into the kitchen to start the day with a good breakfast. You look into the refrigerator. Bacon, eggs, cheese, milk. And a tasty meal materializes before your eyes. A cheese omelet with a side of fried bacon, complete with a tall glass of milk. Not a bad meal to start your day, right? Wrong. But we'll get to that, because the story doesn't stop there. It happens again at lunch. Maybe you're in town when hunger strikes and you remember that burger joint your friend recommended. And in no time, there you are, devouring a cheeseburger with French fries and a Coke to drink. It seems so normal when it happens, but when you read or hear it, can you see the calories and bad eating habits building up? And yet the story continues. It's dinner. You've worked hard all day.
So it's actually loading, but you can see that it looks like something different for what you might be used to. I don't know if you've done any smoothing before, but I wanna see if this is something that might be worthwhile for you or not, and if it will have any type of health implications. So you can see here they offer you 100% money back guarantee. Here you can see some testimonies of people. And obviously you won't know if this works for you until you try it. So I guess like one of my biggest concerns will it be if just by doing this food cleansing, like if I will have enough energy and if I will have any type of hunger. So that will be very interesting for me to know and to see how I could combine this smoothie diet with my current food intake that I do, because I'm not sure if I will be able to live in these smoothies, but possibly yes, depending on the ingredients that it has, So they offer you a 14-day kickstart guide. And here you will get as well access to a 3-day alkaline detox, So I would personally recommend that if you're interested in losing weight and it's something that, you've been looking at doing some type of juicing or you would like to explore it, then you could come here, check it out and try it for a few days and see if this is something that will work for you, And if you're hesitant about doing this because you don't really believe on the juice diet, possibly you could just do the 3-day alkaline detox and see if it works for you. And if it works, then you could jump into the 14-day quick start guide and see how you feel afterwards, So I wanted to review this for you guys, and if you want to find out more information, then click on the link on the description, because there you will find more information and as well you will get a discounted price for this product, So I hope that you can make an informed decision. I hope that you have a lot of success on your weight loss journey so you can stay healthy and be looking awesome. So I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very soon with more products and with more valuable information that you might be interested in for you to check out. So I wish you all the best and take care now, guys.